Hello, hi Belinda, how are you?
I'm good.
You get started, okay?
Okay. And I still have problems with the question from last week.
Okay. How is your UC scope?
It's been good.
How about you going in the second semester?
Oh,
Roughly, give me a
roughly,
roughly.
I said I'm like 40%.
Oh, not bad. Okay. Your
Okay.
goal is to
Um,
finish the second semester before the end of the year. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. But what's your plan for the summer camp?
For the summer,
Yeah.
um, I haven't really thought about that yet.
You need to start to look into it. Okay. This year you are 10 going to be 11, right?
Yeah.
You have to plan ahead what you want to do in the summer. So maybe taking the SAT, maybe taking a preview some of the calculus or physics courses, and maybe some college level course, or maybe some summer camp. These things you have to plan ahead. Which one take higher priority? You have to think about it. Okay.
Okay.
And if you do need summer information, let me know, okay?
Okay.
I can recommend a few of the summer camp. Maybe not the toughest one, but something that you can go.
Mm-hmm.
Next year, the 11th summer, the summer camp is more important than this year. But this year you can go to some decent one and then get some experience.
Okay.
So
And then,
this one? What's the purpose of this one?
so I need to go through the two arrays and then put in however many of the letters it wants me to,
So if the
but
three
it
later,
can't.
what are the three later they will pick?
What did you say?
What are the three later they will pick?
Like it's gonna alternate between the two, and then
It's not
and then
alternating, it is the smallest one, right?
well, it just says no duplicates and it has to be in alphabetical order.
Hmm?
It says no duplicates and it has to be in alphabetical order.
Yeah, so basically from small to big, right?
Oh yeah, so I need to sort it first.
No, they are already sorted. If we actually, they are already sorted.
Oh yeah.
Both A are B
Then
and are sorted.
I just need to check for duplicates and then sort it, then return it.
No, that's too much. Right now, I'm discussing the method, right? So don't worry, be flexible, okay? I'm
Okay.
discussing the method that you can solve this problem. There are a few ways this problem can be solved. So sorting is okay. You put everything into an array or an array list and sort it. It actually is okay. But that's too costly. So one way you can do it is like let's don't think about the performance. So let's assume that here you have A, C, Z. So you add it into an array list. So you got the A, C, Z, and then you add B. So you add B before C, you add F before C. So you go to search it and then insert it to the one that is smaller than that. Then effectively you are sorting the two array into one array. That is actually okay, but that's too costly. You pick the top three that actually is okay, but that's costly. So what this one you can do, there are two ways you can do it. Number one way, okay, is that you work out a histogram. So it's a Boolean array. So if there's an A on the index 0, you mark true. There is a C on the one, on the two, you mark two. And there is a Z on the 25, you actually mark it to be true. And then B on the one, you mark it to be true. F, you maybe 5, you actually mark it to be true. Okay, whatever. And then when you need finish, you go through the array again to pick up those top first is N true one. That's one way you can solve it. Hear me?
Yeah. First.
That's one way you can solve it. Second way you can solve it. Okay, this is one way. Did you understand the way that I'm talking about? Let me repeat one more time. You can declare an array, Boolean array, as 0, 1, 2, whatever, up to 26. This is a histogram. You know histogram, right?
Yeah.
So it's A to G. So when you have the A, you see a A, you mark this one to be true. C, you mark 2 to be true. Then G 25 to be true. B, you mark 1 to be true. F, maybe 5, you mark it to be true. G, you mark this 25 to be true. So you have these different one to be true. Others are F, right? Whatever. Then you go through the array one by one for the first 3, true one. This is A,
okay.
B, C. Okay, this is one way you can solve it. Another way to solve it is you do have using two pointer. So this one is A, C, G. Here you do have E, F, G. So you have P pointer and a Q pointer. You pick up a smaller one. And that's the thing that right now the smaller one is A. So you pick up A and put it there, right?
Yeah.
And then you should store the A to a variable. That's the thing is actually called order value. Okay, so all value is A. So you search for someone that's not A, maybe because here you may have duplicate A, but you have to avoid those duplicate A. So you actually store, so you compare it, so the store all value is A, smaller one. So you compare P and Q's location. You pick up the smaller one. So A is smaller, so you store it to be O1 to be A. So you put the A to the index 0. So this is PQR. So R running the third array. Okay. And then this O1, you need to compare A, keep moving until you see that someone is greater than A, equal now, okay? Because you may have duplicate A in A array. So you actually wait until you see a C. And here you keep going, and the O1 is A, so you actually B no move. B no move, you compare, so your P pointing to C now, and then Q pointing to B. So B is smaller, so I change my O value to B, and then I put it over here. So now next one, my B move to F, Q move to F, P still C. So this one C is smaller, so I pick up C to be here, and then I update this one to C. This can also solve the problem. This is also one pass linear solution to solve the problem. But you use a running index of P and Q either way. But it's a little bit more complicated than the first one.
Yeah, I think I like the first one, the histogram one.
So up to you, okay?
Okay.
Right now, you still need to pay more.
I think I was reading the question wrong.
Yeah, the problem is I noticed that. So number one, don't rush yourself. Reading problem is one thing. Problem reading is one thing. Second is that your understanding of the problem. Sometimes you read it, but you misunderstood. Third one is your pictures. You need to really come up with a solution you believe that they can solve the problem before you do coding. Usually, a lot of people go to the coding too early, then they mess up, and then they keep fixing, go into trouble. Okay, you continue.
Okay.
I need to make a phone call to Liana, okay?
Okay.
She's missing. I need to call her. Take your time, okay? Take your time.
Okay.
You go through A and then check the data,
Yeah.
just like histogram.
Would I?
Capital S, you use capital L is okay. If
Wait,
you
sorry.
A sine a capital S 0 equals,
How would I know?
I'm sorry, you don't need a,
Yeah, that'd be, wait.
it's just, I'm sorry, here, actually, I'm sorry, I make a mistake. It's just directly update the value, that should be fine. Just A, B, C. Capital.
Oh, I think it's on the Chinese keyboard.
Yeah, I use this Chinese sometimes. No. How come see actually curly brace? Can you type? Just array bracket.
Oh, let me switch the.
How come it always keep going to be? You just do bracket and then inside is actually A side the character at 0. A side the character at 0 minus A. Character at 0 minus A. Minus A character. A character. Dot single quote A.
Oh, okay.
Single quote is actually a
Oh,
character.
sorry. Yeah, it's character. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you can
Increase.
use the character app for.
Equals to. Equals to. Equals to.
Oh, sorry.
Simple equals. Yeah. Okay, you continue. I don't interrupt you. Okay.
Wait, Mr. Cho, can you explain this part?
This part you get the character, so you have A array. The character at 0 actually is this character A. E minus A is 0. So your histogram 0 would be A. So if you have a B's first character is B character, minus A will be 1. So you go to the,
Oh, so that's how you do the index.
yeah, that's how you do the indexing.
Okay, so
B the same thing.
yeah.
B,
Oh, sorry, yeah, B
yeah.
char at 0. Okay. Oh,
Now you have everything that you need. Now you go through it and then you create a array of n strings. Yeah.
no. About the wait, then
Go through
I'm
everything.
gonna also need a counter.
Yeah.
Mm,
It's 26 actually.
mm,
That's enough.
mm.
Then that's enough.
Yeah, I know.
Then what's
Then
next?
result C plus plus equal um let's see. Mm,
You have I equals 0, that would be should be A. I equals 1, it should be B. How you convert it?
Um, well, it needs to be string. Okay. So I need to do this first and then
Hmm,
plus
that's what?
char and then I plus A
Hmm, that's right.
and then
And then
oh
you return your result. That's okay. What are you trying to do?
because
You don't need that. Ah,
maybe
okay.
it's gonna have too
So you
many.
C less than N.
And C. Okay, no.
C
Is
less
it
than
or?
N. No, it's N.
Mm. Oh, right. Sorry. Okay. And C.
Okay, one more problem.
Okay.
Liana has a cold, so she cannot join. It's okay. You keep doing, okay?
Okay.
Take your time. I'm not going to rush you. Okay. Right now, you need to come out with the solution by yourself. I try not to give you too much hint. Okay. Take your time.
think I can use a similar approach. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Okay, this one you have to be careful that
Wait,
it's a possibly duplicate. So it's possible that you have A, B, C, and then versus C, D, A, C, D, F, whatever. You
yeah,
want to count the number of strings which appear in both array. In both array. So you use a one histogram may not solve the problem. You need to be in the both array. So why don't you use the AX array and BX array?
Mm.
ABC is too long. That's number one. Number two, actually, you don't know which one it is. So you actually go to here and then if both have an A, you kind of
yeah, both is true.
increase the counter. Okay, this is the part you need to working out right now. It's like come up with your own answer, okay? Eventually, when you go to do the AP exam or going for the user code competition, no one is going to give you any hint, okay? You have to come up with your own answer.
Okay.
So at this moment, you need to a little bit be more brave. You need to try to come up with your own answer.
Let me see try finish this.
Okay, this one. Good job, okay?
Okay. I finished AP1.
Click Java, let me see. So now you go to the recursive one.
This one?
Yeah. It's totally different, okay? You have to use the recursive sort. The
Okay.
programming way is totally different, not like using array.
Without loops?
It's a recursion. You need to only use recursion. You know what's recursion?
Not too sure.
Recursion is function calling itself. So let me help you on this problem. The next one, you have to come up with your own answer, okay? So if how come it's still capital? Come it's keep coming to be capital. Hmm? It's not what I type. Can you type? I'm not sure why right now the keyboard doesn't.
Joshua, do you want to like redo it?
Yeah, you delete everything. So if n equals 0, if n equals 0, lowercase. Yeah, if n equals 0, what should you return? No, don't
Oh,
use
sorry,
the
yeah, I don't need that. With n equals 0.
You got
Returns
a 0 band. 0 band is how much? 0 band, 0 factorial of 0 is what?
0.
0 band is how much? You have 1 band that equals 1, 2 band equals 2, 3 band equals 3 times 2 times 1 equals 6.
Oh, it's
0
0.
band, 0 band is how much?
0.
No, 0 band is 1. Why 0 band is 1? This is defined.
Oh,
Okay.
cause wait.
Okay, this part, your math, you need to review it, okay? Factorial, 0 factorial is 1. Okay, anyway, you change the line. So now if you got, what is recursion? Recursion is that you actually, let's assume this is factorial. For factorial F0, let's assume it's actually 0 band, it's actually 1. How about F1? F1 is 1 band, so equals 1. F2 is 2 times 1 band equals 2 times f1. f3 equals 3 times 2 times 1 equals 3 times f2.
So you keep calling a function?
Yeah, so what this one tell you? What does this tell you? Does it tell you fn will be equals n times fn minus 1?
Yeah. And
Which math course are you taking right now?
recalc?
Precalculus. This one should be covered in precalculus. The sequence, even algebra 2 should have it. Okay, you have to review it. Sequence. So this one equals n times factorial of n minus 1. Return.
Oh.
Return
Wait.
n times factorial of n minus 1. Semicolon. That's it. Go.
Okay.
So let's actually review this one. You have f0 equals 0 then. What do we call this one? This is your base case.
An exception?
And then
Wait,
f1
what did you?
equals 1 times f0. f2 equals 2 times f1. And then keep going, keep going. Your fn equals n times fn minus 1. This one we call it recursive formula in math. We call it recursive formula. Okay?
Okay.
I'm not sure what happened. You a math teacher need to be responsible for this. Okay? Is that okay? This is called recursive formula.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, try next one. Same thing, before you do that, you have to do the same analysis. Take your time, okay?
Okay.
Are you okay so far?
Yeah, I'm just.
Every bunny has 2 ears, right?
Yeah, so wait, if I can't use multiplication,
So
then
0 bunny, how many ears?
0,
0 bunny, how many ears?
0,
0. 1 bunny, how many ears?
2,
2 bunny, how many ears?
3. Sorry, not 4.
Okay. So what's the relationship of this case plus this case?
Increases by 2.
Hmm?
It increases by 2
So
for every
B2
bunny.
equals B1 plus 2. So B3 equals B2 plus 2. So keep going. Bn equals what?
B n minus 1 plus 2.
Yeah, that's your recursion. This is your recursion. This is your base case. So write your base case first. If bunny equals 0. Yeah, otherwise return this. Bunny years old. This B is bunny years old. Bunnies minus 1 plus 2 semicolon code. That's it. It's not that hard. It's actually pretty easy.
Yeah, I just keep not getting used to using like this method.
That's the part you need to get used to. Okay. That's what I told you. You got to think in recursive way, no longer using the for loop way. Okay.
Okay.
One more problem. One more problem. Next one. This one are definitely not going to help you. You have to come up by yourself. The else is not needed. Equal 0, it go away. Yeah.
Then
you have 2 base cases in this time. Yeah.
I would need return
F0 equals 0. F1 equals what? F2 equals F1 plus F0. F3 equals F2 plus F1. So continue. Fn equals Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. Okay?
Yeah.
got to think about it in a recursive way. This is not like your for loop, okay?
Okay.
Okay, one more problem. You got to get used to. Okay, this one a little bit more complicated. So odd number 2 years, even number bunny 3 years. So this one, before you do it, let me give you the analysis one more time. So bunny of the 0, how many year?
0,
Bunny of 1, how many year?
2,
Bunny of 2, how many year?
3.
No, it's actually bunny of 1 plus 3 years, right? You have one bunny here
Isn't
and
it bunny of 0?
what?
But if it's bunny of 1 plus, wait. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's 2 bunnies. Okay, yeah, you're right.
Then bunny of 3 equals bunny of 2 plus
Plus
2
2.
years. Bunny of 4 equals
Bunny of
bunny of
3 plus
3 plus 3
3.
years. Okay, now I give you the enough hint. Now you need to come up with how to
So,
program it. It's not no longer just one return. Now it's actually more complicated. You need to use some if.
yeah. I still
Okay.
need to do the base case
Base
first.
case is still the same. Base case equals 0 into this. Best case is this one. You still have this equal 0. So that's even case.
Yeah.
Even
Sorry,
case,
I don't.
even case you get what? You get this. Even case you take this.
Mhm.
You finish the level 1, level 2, right? AP, right? When you
Um,
have time, I still suggest you to go over those older problems again one more time by yourself, okay? Right now you keep progressing, but when you have time, not on here, but when you have your own time, you need to go over the older problem several
okay.
times, okay? Several
And I
times.
think they only have one AP.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry.
Okay. And Mr.
So
Chow,
you keep doing this. Yeah. What question?
um, so I tried fixing the constructor thing. I'm not, it still isn't working. I don't know why it keeps doing
Which
0.
one? Which one?
Right. Can you see my Blue Jay right now?
Yeah, you show your screen
Yeah.
on your browser.
Let me redo it. Hmm. Here. Like whenever it's still doing 0 for the instance variable.
This one is static. That's what I told you.
Mm.
So
This,
what's
yeah,
wrong?
and then I put this here. Do you want me to run it for you?
Your main program originally was in a different class, right?
Yeah, originally it was like this.
Yeah, but it's in different class, not in the same class.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you put the SAT there. Let me see what happened.
Okay, let me run it.
Your data is not in.
Yeah, I didn't. Okay.
Your data is not in. That means that your object is not created. Go back.
So there's something wrong with my scanner?
No, I don't know. Look at your code. Right here, you do X for this. So go up to your function. You actually go into here. You read integers, your E and your M. Before you return the ESM, right here, print out your E and M, see what are the values.
Oh, I tried that before and it works. It wasn't 0. Let me just.
Yeah, you should do it one more time.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, and then it turns into 0. So I
So
guess
when
it
you
is.
print this, okay, let's go back. Go back to your code. Go back to your code.
Do you see it?
So right here, okay, this one, new EM, okay. So let's go down. Next one, you print, go down, go down. You assign to here. Then this one, ESM 0. The next one you print out is this one. Your 0, 0 is right here.
Yes.
So now, out of the for loop, don't print this
I
one. Don't print
okay.
this one. Print arrays
Okay.
of the events.
Print. Wait, sorry. Print the array.
System.out, yeah, print the array. System.out, the print line, arrays,
Wait, do I
array,
need to import it?
arrays,
Hold on, let me.
arrays that two string.
Okay,
No, 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 no,
I'm
no, no,
there.
no, no, don't do
Just
just
making sure I don't need to.
S the two string of the exams. Yeah, and then you go back check. Do you have the two string in your code? Now go back, go back, go up.
I imported the arrays.
Yeah, it's okay. Imported array,
Okay.
but where do you have a two string function?
No.
Add a two string function here. Just to show the two numbers. Return string dot format.
The two numbers.
Two numbers. Yeah. No, no, no. Double quote, double quote. Something like that. Yeah.
Mm.
ERW and mass score. Yeah. Run it.
Oh.
You do have the value.
Mm-hmm.
So your array have the value. Go back to your code. Now it's your go back to your code. It's your no.
Is it the for loop? Not.
No, up to here, this one okay. You do have the exam. This exam is okay.
Yeah.
Now is your exam 0. Why your exam 0 here becomes 0? Go back to your for loop. Your for loop must have something on.
Yeah.
Wait. Why are you assigning this value to the array? You do opposite, right? It's
Wait, where?
maximum. This one is maximum for use maximum equals array that ER. It's not. It's opposite, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right.
Be careful, okay? This one is careless mistake. Right? This is for sure is a careless mistake. This is not something you don't know. It's just like you mess up the
Mess up the border.
messing up. Yeah.
Okay, then I run it again.
That's why I don't. That's why I don't like to put this static function and instance function together. You usually put those as static
Oh, sorry,
function.
I don't. Yeah.
Yeah, don't mix
I
them
was.
together. It's very difficult to debug sometimes. Okay, it's
Yeah,
okay.
I
Okay,
was
don't
testing
change.
things.
You change it later. Okay, I'm just
Oh,
telling you
okay.
that makes things more complicated to be debugging.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
you can delete those helper functions. Then you need to pass it in, right? The setter you need to move up. Those are setter you still need it. Move up. Yeah. Cut and paste.
With the static.
Before the toString.
Before?
Before, yeah.
All right, because that's okay. Then also write getters.
Usually put those instance function on top. Don't put those static function. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, you can delete
Sorry,
those.
no.
You can delete these extra printing lines.
Like these ones.
The extra printing lines. Yeah.
Okay, I think that's good.
This toString
Alright,
also no needed. Yeah. toString also not needed. Wait, no. You can keep that. That actually you can keep that. I mean, go down. I mean
Oh, you mean the okay. Like the call
toString that you call.
here.
That's just for debugging, right? The toString function sometime later you may need it, so don't delete that one.
Okay.
Okay. Any other question?
No, that's it.
Be patient, okay? You actually sometimes don't put your code too messy. If your code is too messy, it's very difficult to debug. Try to organize it in a way that you actually have a better chance. So when you do this kind of things, it does take time to do probing. Probing means that you don't know where it went wrong, so you need to insert some of the printing here, some of the printing here, whatever, to get the answer. But you need to have a clear mind of what it is, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I teach you to debug and how you figure it out, okay? But you have to spend some time. So when you do coding, you would rather print out the data step by step. Don't wait until your whole program finish and try to print. Usually you don't know where it went wrong. So if you really print out the array correctly right here, you probably don't have the trouble to modify your previous code. Anything before you actually you know it's correct. You don't want to change it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So when you debug, bring up some cut point. Cut point means that you need to make sure up to here is correct. If it is correct, don't worry about anything about. Try think about something else. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, any other question?
No.
So your coding bed, I still suggest you to go back to your coding bed one more time. You can use a different email account to redo it, okay? But use your own time. Don't use the coding bed time we have. Those one we still want you to keep progressing, okay?
Okay.
And then the homework part, I still want you to continue, okay? You are almost done for the even the second semester. We are going to finish before November, okay? And then after that, we will be teaching more advanced stuff. And then in February, we'll start to review the course. So it is very challenging, but in the end, you will learn a lot, okay? Okay, any other question?
No.
No. Okay, you want to continue? We still have 5 minutes. Or you want to be dismissed?
With the coding math?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm okay, either way.
Mr. Cho, is this one okay?
I didn't see your code. You are actually sharing your project.
Oh, okay, hold on, let me.
Okay. One more part. Then you are done. Okay.
Okay.
This one is the recursive version of the sum of the digits. Sum of the digit we do it before.
Yeah.
Actually it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. You actually take out this one and then divide it by 10 and then take out this one and then divide it by 10 and take out this one and then divide by 10 and get this one. Okay, now you need to do it in a recursive way. So when you keep dividing, at the end, what will happen?
0.
So if n equals 0, return what?
N equals 0, return 0.
Sum of digits is 0, yeah. So if n equals 0, return 0. So if n not equal 0, what should you do?
I need to divide by 10. And then, sorry, no, mod 10 and then add the remainder
Mm,
and then divide it by 10.
mm.
But wait. Wait, how do I use recursive on this? Oh, okay.
So this one, sum of digit 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to sum of 1, 2, 3 plus 4.
Yeah.
Right? And sum of 1, 2, 3 is equal to sum of 1, 2 plus 3. This one.
So like that.
Okay?
Okay.
It's not that hard. You need to just get used to the new way of code programming. Okay?
Yeah.
Good night then. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you.